Hey, what's up everybody? Got a 2010 Nissan Titan here. My TPMS light was flashing when I would turn the car on. It's solid right now. I resolved the problem. Basically, customer wanted all his sensors replaced. Here's the ones that were in there. I believe these are Nissan ones. I think they say Nissan right here in the corner. Anyways, so I'm not a Nissan. I'm at a shop and we have an Autel. So basically what I had to do, I kind of followed instructions on ALLDATA and on this to get the program to run the sensors, the new ones in. Basically what happened was this Autel, I couldn't get it to give me any IDs for the sensors to know which one was bad, and they just wanted to replace them all anyway. So basically what I did, I got new sensors, put them in the rims, put the tires back on and everything. This particular car, according to ALLDATA, it says to set each individual tire at a different specified air pressure. And then after that, since I don't have their little activation tool, I went to the Autel here, and TPMS is in the BCM section. And then it's on the second page. You scroll over here, air pressure monitor, special functions, and then you go to ID regist, and basically you hit that, and then I don't want to do it now because I already got it all done. I don't want to try to do it again, but when you hit that, this light will flash, and then once you have the tire pressure set to the specified tire pressure for each tire, when you hit that, it'll have a little menu here, and it'll say like yet with a little arrow near it, and then basically you're supposed to drive the car over 25 miles per hour, over 25 miles per hour for a few minutes. I hit so basically when it has everything up, it says start right here, and I hit start, and then I hit start as soon as I got on the freeway, and I just drove. It took probably 2.5 minutes, and then it registered them all. And then this didn't change at all, but my light went out, and then I just noticed it went out for like a minute, but then it came back on because one of the specified tire pressures is lower than 30. It's like 27 or something. But yeah, so that's how I did it. Now I'm gonna just fill them up just to make sure the light goes out. I'm gonna fill them up real quick. Okay, so I just went and filled my tires up, and as you can see, the light's out now. Let's go ahead and hit escape on here. No, not that. Escape. Live data. Just to make sure all the tires are reading. Yep, here they are right here. 36, 35, 35. Alright.